Hey my royalty, welcome to my channel. Today's video is an introduction to the System 20. This is by Dr. Oz. It is really big. It's trending right now, and hopefully it's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. What do I mean by that? What is the System 20? So Dr. Oz has introduced the System 20, and basically it is not a diet, it is a lifestyle to get a community, to get everyone to be on a healthy lifestyle. This includes eating, meditating. This includes looking younger. And how to do this is by putting in positive foods, recipes that you can easily make, lowering the carbs, lowering the sodium, but enjoying food as well. Like I said, it's a lifestyle. So one of the things that I wanted to bring to you is, with this introduction, is what I'm doing. And I wanted to introduce this to you first with this video to get you guys on board, to do this journey with me, to communicate with me, to encourage me. I can encourage you to get the information you need. So what am I doing first? So one of the things that System 20 incorporates is intermittent fasting, and that is basically not eating between 7 p.m. and 11 a.m. That's kind of easy for me because I'm one of those, I love my pancakes, I love my eggs, but I'm good with just a cup of coffee in the morning. And I relatively eat early because my husband comes home from early and we get to bed early. So that's easy for me. So basically from 7 p.m. to 11 a.m., no eating. You just basically cut out complete breakfast. There's no breakfast involved, okay? Nothing. So no breakfast, and then you can enjoy a nice brunch at 11 a.m. You can basically break your fast at 11 a.m. Also, part of the System 20 that I'm incorporating is meditation and stretching every morning for 2 minutes. So what I am doing, I am kind of incorporating both. I am incorporating a stretch every morning, and I will meditate and breathe and concentrate on my breathing through my stretch, concentrate on the muscles that I'm stretching. And here's a little example. Basically, for instance, I'm stretching. Taking deep breaths, focusing on the muscle that I'm stretching, and I am going to go as far as picking a phrase every morning and meditating on that phrase. For instance, here we go. I am beautiful and wonderfully made. I am beautiful and wonderfully made. Now, I might meditate on that phrase for the week, 3 days, I'm not really sure. This is what I am going to do. I'm going to incorporate the meditation and stretching together. The System 20 is, you have to get on this link. I believe Dr. Oz has an app. You have to get in the community. He gives you a complete shopping list. You have recipes. And there is no way that you can fail from this if you just stay connected and just follow the instructions, follow the ideas that he has on there, and just push yourself to do the best. It's not drastic if you think about it. A lot of the foods are delicious. You have your proteins, you have your amazing vegetables. There's even great snacks and frozen berries to appetize that sweet tooth that myself has. So I just wanted to introduce this System 20 by Dr. Oz with you. I wanted you guys to follow me on my journey. I am going to really get into this with you guys. I'm going to do some exercises. I'm going to do videos with my stretching and meditation. I'm going to put myself out there with this journey. You know, I'm not perfect, and neither are you. So just allow yourself to take your time with the process, get connected. I will put the link below. Comment, Follow me on your journey. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know if you're doing the System 20, and let me know how it's going. All right, guys, stay royal, stay healthy, be blessed. Love you guys.